So I've been trying for about half an hour to get into this Sennheiser XS wireless one mic. It's an SKM35, I think, and couldn't figure it out. Turns out actually quite easy, just not what I was expecting. Worried it was all glued together. So you take the bottom off, take the cover off the top, and then this ring here is the missing piece of the puzzle. You know, sometimes it will be quite tightly screwed in on yours maybe, but if you just get a grip on it, unscrew that, potentially you can use some mole grips or something if you need to, and then you can just pull the capsule out straight up like that, and it's a sort of replaceable module on these. So I think the capsule is actually what's failed on this one. Probably just buy another online, about 30 quid at the moment. And then to get the rest of the electronics out the inside, you can just press on here and push the whole thing through, and it comes out with a bit of effort, but pretty easily. So there we go, how to disassemble this Sennheiser SKM31 microphone. Just to follow up to the end of that video, I called it the SKM31, but of course it's the SKM35, and I probably could resolder one of the wires that's broken off in the capsule and get it working that way, but this is for a client, so I won't be doing that because it will probably break again the same way. Maybe I'll try it, maybe I'll give them an extra capsule if the resoldering does work, but I'll definitely order the proper part first.